guys, I'm Pink13 and you're watching YouTube. I've always wanted to do that.
And today's video is going to be a first impressions, a review, a demo video on Hoopla.
And oh my gosh, an ant literally bit my foot.
I have to come outside because I have guests right now and I feel bad to tell them, hey, be quiet for like an hour as I'm filming, because fun fact, every time that I film sit down videos, they usually take like an hour to film. But you see there's a plane. You're gonna hear the outside car noises. Please subscribe down below by hitting that red subscribe button until it is gray, and hit that post notification bell button right next to the subscribe button so that way you're notified every single time I upload a new video. Give this video a huge thumbs up and share this video with your friends and family so that way you can be like, hey, I saw these cool products on Amazon, you should give them a try. The amazing company. Guys, why are there so many planes? Oh my gosh. I guess I'm going to just have to speak loud because 2 planes in less than 2 minutes? Nah, we're not doing this. We're not waiting every single time. An amazing company called Carefor reached out to me and sent me these 2 goodies. And I can't wait to share them with you. They sent me these alcohol-free teeth whitening kits. Me personally, I'm a fluoride-free girl. I use Hello toothpaste. The last time that I went to the dentist, I asked, what mouth rinse do you recommend? And the dentist said, I recommend an alcohol-free one. I don't remember their reasons why. So when I was offered these teeth whitening kit, I was like, oh my gosh. I honestly haven't whitened my teeth since my quinceañera. So this comes with 14 teeth whitening strips, 7 treatments, 1 teeth whitening pen. I think that this is the 4th plane. Use once a day and leave on your teeth for 30 to 45 minutes to achieve whiter teeth and a more radiant smile. Ooh, okay. So here's a pen. Twist to release gel for first use. You need more twisting, so keep that in mind the first time that you're twisting. To release the gel for the first time, you may need more twisting. It reminds me of the e.l.f. lip glosses. Love that it's not hard. I haven't put any on it on my teeth yet. I just wanted to feel it on my teeth. I really love this packaging. Okay, so it's a 7-day treatment, 14 strips, because 2 times 7, it equals to 14. So I'm supposed to like look at my teeth, and then I'm supposed to determine what number my teeth currently are, and at the end of the treatment I'm supposed to like see how much progress has been made. Okay, it says 1 piece per use, so technically this is a 20-day supply. Guys, this has clove oil. My dad showed me a video of somebody recommending, and this wasn't just one person. Then I did my own TikTok research and I started watching a whole bunch of videos of people recommending washing your teeth normally and putting clove oil, and that's good for your teeth. I don't remember why, but like my dad bought clove oil and we did that. So I'm like, this is clove oil? How did you know that these are things that if I saw at the store, I would get this? How did you know? I don't want to talk about like my medical opinion here. There's 6 mild mints, and then there is 6 grapefruit, mint, fresh breath flavors. I stand corrected, guys. There is actually 7 grapefruits, and there is 7 mint refreshing. you have made it to the end of the video, and I just wanted to clear that I filmed the outro the same day that I did the first day of trying the strips on. So in case you're like, wait, why are we seeing the Pink Ice 13 of 7 days ago and not the Pink Ice 13 of the last day on the whitening strips? It is for that reason, guys. It is for that reason, okay? Just to save time when filming the outro. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let me know in the comments down below how it went. If you're going to be purchasing these whitening strips, these mouth rinses. Alright guys, I'll see you soon in the next video if God permits. Bye!